Speak ChatGPT made me $0 while I slept. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash this $20 tool made me $3,100. n8n is an automation platform. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash it runs AI workflows without you touching a keyboard. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash ChatGPT waits for you. n8n runs while you're gone. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash I built one workflow in 2 hours on a Tuesday night. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash it scrapes leads, writes personalized cold emails, sends them automatically. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash no prompting. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash no babysitting. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash it closed 4 clients at $775 each, while I watched Netflix. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash I'll be straight with you, ChatGPT needs your input every single time. n8n runs 24/7 on its own. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash ChatGPT writes one email. n8n sends 500 automatically. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash that gap is where the money is. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash self-hosted is completely free, unlimited runs. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash cloud starter is $20 per month. Break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash 2,500 executions. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash pro is $50 for 10,000 runs. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash the $20 plan paid for itself in 5 minutes. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash score. Break time equals in quote, 300 ms in quote slash 9.2 out of 10. n8n is the tool ChatGPT wishes it was. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash one workflow, real money, zero ongoing effort. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash learning curve exists, but worth every minute. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash link in the description. Break time equals in quote, 600 ms in quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.